All right, so I was called out. The customer complaint was her vehicle wasn't starting, not even a click, nothing. And sometimes she wouldn't even get power when she turned the key. So let's see what I can find out. So here's an example of her complaint. See, nothing. All right, so any smart technician or experienced technician will go for the fuses first. Check all that. I bust out the multimeter. I even put power to it. Nothing, so. All right, so first step, went to O'Reilly Auto Parts, got the starter. Supported the car. Gotta be safe out here. Disconnect the battery, please. Got under the car, located the starter. All right, took it out. And here's when I realized the starter was not the same. So we went back, got that right. Then boom, bada bing, baby. Thank you for trusting Thompson Auto Repair.